Draw a round head. Add 2 black circular eyes inside the head. Draw 2 long ears on top of the head. Below the head, draw a large oval egg-shaped body. Draw a small nose and a smiling mouth on the face. Draw 2 small arms on both sides of the body. Draw 2 feet at the bottom of the body. Now the drawing is complete. Let's move on to the coloring part.
Red goes on the air so high. 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 Magenta paints the nose nearby. 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 Orange, orange, I cheer for you. 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 Green field shoreline, fresh and true. 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 Our rainbow bunny smiles so bright. 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 Spreading love and joy just right. Spreading love and joy just right. Spreading love and joy just right. Spreading love and joy just right.
Great job, kids! If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like and subscribe to Kiddo Color Club. See you next time!